Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
Someone is not able to join. One second, I think someone is texting me.
Hello, sir.
Sir,
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, I was keep talking. No. Actually, Himanshu was not. Himanshu is not able to join. Don't know actually why. I accept. I'm trying to accept his request, but not able to accept. Don't know why. Guys, is there any one of you are facing a problem in joining the class?
No, sir.
Hmm.
No, sir.
So we are not facing.
Okay. 1 second.
sir,
Yes.
sir, can we have a revision of trigonometry chapter of MCQs?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Definitely.
Trigonometry MCQs.
Yes, sir.
Trigonometry, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Trigonometry.
sir.
How many of you want that?
We'll raise our hands, sir. One minute.
Yes. Four members. Okay, we'll take an extra class. We'll take an extra class. All right.
Fine, sir.
Many of you are facing a problem. I think Himanshu is not able to join the class. Don't know why. Guys, is there any problem in unauthorizing request, something like that? Are you guys any one of you are
I
getting
didn't
something like
see any problems
Sir,
because
Huh?
before I got, sir, once.
So what did you do for that?
Sir, nothing, sir. I just logged out and login, sir. And once I tried to uninstall and reinstall, sir.
Okay, after that you was
Yes,
okay,
sir. I was able to.
okay. Oh, sure. Then what's happening? Why it is not able to? Why he is not able to join? Okay, not an issue. For trigonometry, guys, definitely I'll go for the extra class and take it out. So you do not worry.
sir, and this Sunday we'll have a test on
Tell me which chapter you want me to conduct. Your choice. Trigonometry.
okay, sir.
What
Can we
about
have two
what about
chapters,
every?
sir?
I need a response from everyone. Tell me.
Can we have any two chapters? Trigonometry and one more chapter.
Yes, sure. What about
Sir,
others?
we can have test on whole term one syllabus.
Yes, sir. Full syllabus test also is fine, sir.
Yeah, definitely we'll go for that, but not now. So once we what do you call that? Ready with revision, then we'll go for that.
Okay, sir.
One second. What about others? Girls, what about you? Do you want any revision?
Sir, trigonometry.
Girls?
Sir, can we have it for chapter 3 as well?
Sorry?
Can we have it for pair of linear equations in two variables as well?
Sure. And I need a response from everyone. If you are lacking with any topic, then let me know.
Sir, the only thing I think I have a problem is with how many types of questions can be expected in the chapter real numbers.
How many?
Types of questions can be expected in the chapter real numbers, first chapter.
How many types of whatever the type?
So
Whatever
there's
the yeah, whatever the
Euclid's
syllabus.
lemma, right?
Yeah,
That's
Euclid's lemma.
removed.
Yeah, whatever the type. How many types? Or type means we can't judge like
I mean, not really types, but you could say my concept is not clear in that chapter.
that. Okay. So we already discussed in that regard. Better you solve multiple questions and come up with those questions.
Yes, sir, I'm doing that.
Yes, you do. And one more thing, how many questions we can expect means from all topics like Euclid's lemma, you can expect from whatever the topics included from that chapter from your term one syllabus. You have a syllabus, right? PDF of your PDF of your syllabus, term one syllabus. Go through that. What are the topics has been given to you from that each and every topic?
Yes, sir.
You can expect a question. But real number weightage, what is the real number weightage? What is the weightage of real numbers? Let me show it to you.
Sir, it's 6 marks.
6 marks. See, 6 marks means it could be anyhow. He could give 2 questions from.
Yes, sir. Okay, I understand.
We can't judge that, 6 marks means he can give 2 questions or 3 questions for Euclid's lemma. And look at this number system, 6 marks, right? Yes, let me share the screen to you. Yes, can you see here? Number system, 6 marks. Algebra, 10 marks. Coordinate geometry, 6 marks. Geometry, 6 marks. Trigonometry, 5 marks. Mensuration, 4 marks. Statistics, 3 marks. Okay. This is what you are. This is what your what? Term and weightage. For real numbers, look at this. You have fundamental theorem arithmetic statements. After reviewing work done earlier and illustrating the motivating through the examples, decimal representation of rational numbers in terms of terminating and non-terminating recurring decimals. Whatever the topics has been given to you from that each and every topic, you can expect a question. Shut up.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So go through the questions, each and every question. Okay. Chalo. Now tell me in last class what we were discussing. In last class what we were discussing. Any new student joined today? Guys, anyone of you are new here, new student.
Sir, maybe Himanshu itself.
Himanshu. I'm not able to admit him actually. See, if I going to accept his request, look at this. Look at this. It is asking me to log in it again. If I log in through again, it is coming the same thing. Unauthorized request or something like that.
Sir, you decline and ask him to send it again, sir, maybe.
Same thing. If you decline also same thing is coming. Okay. Chalo, in last class, what we were discussing, guys? Last class.
Hemisphere.
Sir, I think we've solved a few problems from surface area and volume.
Yes.
On hemisphere, sir, and sphere.
Hemispheres. We done with the concept actually, and we go with now problems. I'll give the questions to you all. Look at this here. Everyone write the question. Everyone write the question. Yes. The question is, we'll solve how many balls each of radius? How many balls each of radius 1 centimeter, comma, and can be made from a solid sphere of lead of radius 8 centimeter. Make it fast. How many balls each of radius 1 centimeter can be made from a solid sphere? How many of you submitted your worksheet, guys?
Sir, is it 60? Is it 64?
60. 64.
It's wrong, right?
No. It
It's
is
correct.
wrong.
Sir, is it 512?
Yes. We need what here? How many balls? Right answer.
Sir, I got 512.
How? Ahil, can you please explain me? Ahil. Ahil, can you please explain me? Are you here, Ahil? Can you please summarize that? How many balls each of radius 1 centimeter can be made from the radius? Can be made from a solid sphere of lead of 8 centimeter radius.
Sir, can I say it?
Yes.
Sir, first we have to find the volume of the sphere with the big sphere of 8 centimeters, which I got as 545,056 by 21. And then find the volume of the small sphere, and then divide the volume of the larger sphere by the smaller sphere. And when you cancel everything out, you get 500.
Look at this here. How many balls each of the radius 1 centimeter can be made from a solid sphere from the lead of radius 8 centimeter?
Sir, R should be capital. So we are doing for the sphere, no?
Which one? Acha, here. Yes, you can
Yes,
take,
sir.
you can denote. Yes, R1 you say, R2 you say. Is this one you can take,
Capital R, sir, because we are taking sphere, no?
yes.
Radius is more.
You can denote with anything, not an issue. Look at this R1, R2. Yeah, fine, capital R. Radius you take why? Because your sphere, lead of 8 centimeters. So now, how many balls we can make from radius of 1 centimeter? We have to find out. Look at this here. Let us say this is my bigger one. This is my smaller one. What is the formula? Volume of sphere?
4
So
by
4 by 3 into
3
pi r cube.
Pi r cube.
So that is, we can do that R1 cube by R2 cube.
1 into 1. So look at it here. How many we can make? Let's say x number of into from where? From 4 by 3 into pi into 1 is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 8 into 8 into 8. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now 4 ones, 4 twos. Pi we can cancel here. Let us write pi as it is.
So we can cancel 4 by 3 and 4 by 3 also, right?
Yes, you can cancel 4 by 3 here, and then let us not cancel this. Okay. So what you got? X is equal to what now? 8 cube. 8 cube is what? 64 into 4. So 2, 51. Yes, 512. Yes or no? Yes or no, children? So X is what here? Number of balls which I
Balls.
can make. Number of balls which I can make with a radius of 1 centimeter. Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
from the bigger sphere radius is this much. So from the radius 1 given. So 1 radius 1 centimeter x into this one is equal to 4 by 3 into this one. So x number of from where? From this one with the radius 1 is equal to the radius with 8 centimeters. Clear? If I equate and get it, I'll get it. Shall we move forward for the next question? Girls, are you able to understand? Eleven meter into 1 meter into 11 dm into 1.
Sir, DM means
Someone is talking.
Decameter, right? Or decimeter.
Someone is calling. Who is that? Yes, Anujip, tell me.
No, sir, I'm asking what is DM?
Yes, decimeter, decameter,
Is
whatever
it
the meter.
decameter or decimeter?
If you guys look at this here. If you take decimeter, what do you mean by decimeter is equal to how many meters? Hello? 1 decimeter is equal to how many meters?
0.1.
Huh?
Sir,
0.
what?
Yes. Look, you understand 1 decimeter is equal to 0.1 meter, which means look at this here. 1 deci is equal to 0.1 meter, which means 1 by 10th of meter, which means if 10 decimeters are there, then it will become 1 meter. Look at this here, which means 1 decimeter is equal to 0.1 meters. Then for 1 meter, how many decimeters you need?
10.
So you take decimeter and solve the question. Solve this question, make it fast. Children, can you hear me?
Yes.
One decimeter is equal to 0.1 meters, which means how many centimeters? He has given in meters here. So 11 decimeters is equal to how many meters? Children, you look at this here. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. So 1 meter is equal to how much? 100 centimeters, right? Yes, sir. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. We know that. Now, so 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter means 1 meter is equal to, sorry, how many decimeters is equal to 100 centimeters? 10 decimeters. 10 decimeters is equal to 1 meter. Yes or no? So can I write now 10 dms here? Guys, 1 meter is equal to 10 dm. Can I write?
Yes.
Hmm. Make it fast, children.
Is it 8 balls, sir?
How?
Is it right?
No.
I'll recheck.
Sir, is it 9?
No.
I got some decimal value between 8 and 9. So I estimated it 9. Oh, eight.
Okay. Or else you convert everything in centimeters, like decimeters given, meters given, decimeter given. Better you do convert everything in a same unit and find it out. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, right? So 100 centimeter means what? 1 meter is equal to 10 dms. Convert everything in dms or what you have to find out here, how many spherical bullets each of 5 centimeters in diameter can be cast from a rectangular block. Very, very important type of questions. or else you convert everything in a meters. Guys, as I told you that 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters, right? Or else 1 decimeter is equal to 1 by 10 meter. Yes or no? If you don't understand conversion, look at this. 1 decimeter is equal to how much? 1 decimeter is equal to 1 by 10th meter.
I got one more answer. Should I say that?
1 second. 11 into 1 by 10 meters into 1 meter into 5 by 10 meter. Is it clear? So one second. 10 by 11 by 10. This is a conversion. I converted into meters. 5 ones, 5 twos, 11 by 20 meter cube. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to what? This is what volume of that, right? Volume given. What is the
Volume of the
this one?
spherical balloon.
So what is the volume of sphere?
4 by 3 into pi r cube.
So 4 by 3 into pi r cube is equal to what? 11 by 20. So how many is asking? So number of n into, or you find x, let us say that x is equal to number of bullets which you need to find out. So calculate this. What is the R value? What is the R value? Diameter, how many?
2.5.
2.5, right? Diameter given 5 centimeters. Then radius is what? 2.5 centimeters. So we need in meters. So 2.5 centimeters is equal to how many meters? Guys, 2.5 meters is equal to how many centimeters? 2.5 by? Arey yaar, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, beta. 2.5 meters is equal to how many centimeters? 2.5
250.
into 100 divided by x. So 25 by 10 into 100. 0 got cancelled. X is equal to 250 meters. 250 centimeters, not meters. Okay. So x is equal to x into 4 by 3 into pi into pi, let us write 22 by 3, 22 by 7. R, what I got here? Radius.
250.
250 into 250 into 250 is equal to 11 by 20. I'm writing in terms of meter. Now look at this. Calculate this. Find the answer. 11 ones, 11 twos. Okay. X is equal to 3 into 7 by, oh, you will get in terms of 0. It can't. So what he has given the question?